Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Oculus Quest screen, Quest 1, Quest 2, whatever, onto your computer's web browser. Really simple. Firefox when I checked did not work, Chrome works, Edge works, I think Opera would work as well. It seemed like it's more Chromium based browsers, and I'm going to use Edge for the simple reason my Chrome has been playing up today for some reason, so I will use Edge. It's not my default browser. Okay, so you want to go to oculus.com/casting. So this requires no wires whatsoever, and now it basically tells you what you need to do. You want to put the headset on, so I'm going to put the headset on, start recording the screen so you can actually see what is going on. And okay, so we are now recording. I was checking the mic, so I just muted it, then unmuted it so I can just easily edit the video together. And from here, you want to go to share, you want to go to cast, you want to go to computer, you want to go to next, and we should start seeing the video on our computer now. I can see that it is loading, takes a few seconds to load, and that's it. If you want audio, let's go here. You'll have audio. You can go full screen as well. And in all fairness, it is pretty darn smooth. So what are the caveats of using this over some other option? So obviously, if you're, let's say if you've got a pretty bad router or you've got a lot of load on your network, this can get a bit laggy or a bit pixelated. But overall, this is a great solution of being able to see what somebody's doing. If you want to record the screen, for example, and you don't want to use the built-in recording feature, and you want to get it onto here. The other great thing is if you want to go live, but not live through Facebook, because that's the only live option it allows you. And so yeah, I'm going to stop casting now, and you will. Well, yeah, I'm going to stop casting. Stop casting, and there we go. Okay, so that is it. It is that simple to cast over your Oculus device onto your web browser. Again, Chrome and Edge work. I had a few issues with Chrome. That was, just had issues with Chrome in general, so I chose to use Edge because it was working. And that is it. That is how you do it. I will create separate videos on how to what was I gonna say? Forgot now. On how to mirror your Oculus screen onto a phone, on how to mirror your Oculus screen onto a Chromecast device as well. So feel free to check out those videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon.